This is the life I'm dealing with. Don't ever remember dealing with summer cicadas this loud and constant.
Yeah.
I'm filming the summer cicadas. They're very loud and constant. I don't ever remember it being like this. They don't stop.
You don't.
It's probably because of how many trees we have in our yard.
No. I've always had this many trees.
I know, but it's very. I've never had to deal with this. It's very consistent. Yeah, we can even hear it in the house when we're trying to relax at night. Just hear nothing but the summer cicadas. It's like there's like 4 different groups. One starts to crescendo, then it decrescendos, and then another group starts in the back. See, there they go down. Now one different group starts coming up. It's just a bunch of fucking bugs trying to get puss. This is what it sounds like when bugs trying to get puss. Yep.